students. Good morning. This session is the part B of your previous session. Okay, there is some technical issue, so it is in continuation of your previous session. Fine. So we are on our second subject, creative. So you just have to bring out a black paper sheet. Okay, if you have drawing files, so you can also bring your drawing files. So we are on letter W, right? So first of all, on top, you just have to write the date first. Okay, here you have to write date on top. You write the date on top. Today is 25th of January and the year is 2021. Fine. So here on top you just have to write the date first, and then we start with a drawing. Okay, so you have to keep pencil in your hands. So we are on letter W, right? So what is the phonic sound of your letter W? It's wo, right? The phonic sound of letter W is wo. Okay. So we make W work watch. What we make today? We make watch today. Okay, for that you just have to make a big square like this. Make a big square on your A4 size sheet. Okay, like this. Then we just have to add numbers. Okay, so take pencil in your hands and write the numbers. So how? Firstly, here you have to write 1 to 12 in middle. Okay, and in this line, the middle of this line, you have to write 3. Okay, and if you want to see the watch, so you can go in your bedroom, and where there is a watch, you can see the watch, and then you can make the picture of your watch. Okay, in your bedroom or in drawing room, there is a wall clock, right? So you can see the wall clock, and then you can make the watch. Okay, fine. See, now here in this line, the middle of this line, you just have to write the number 6. Fine. Okay, now this line, the middle of this line, here you have to write the number 9. Okay, 9. Now we will start over here. Now I'll add 1. Here I add number 2. Okay, after 2 it's come 3. 3 is already written. Now after 3 it's 4. What comes after 3? It's number 4. So here you have to write number 4. Here it's number 5. Fine. Okay, after 6 it's 7. Then here it's come 8. As you know, my pencil is not flexible, students, so the formation is not that much correct, but you have tried to make the formation accurately. Okay, chalo, after 9 it's 10. 1, 0, 10. Okay, now next number is 1, 1, 11. So see, now you can see the watch, the real watch, and you can cross check it. It's look like a watch, but what the last step we have to do is we have to make the hands of our clock, right? So here in middle, first of all you have to make a circle like this. Okay, and then we will make two hands. There is two hands, one is minute hand and one is the hour hand. Okay, so the hour hand is short, a small one is the hour hand, and the bigger one is the minute hand. Okay, so you just have to make your watch look beautiful. Okay, this look like a watch. Now the next step is we have to do coloring in our watch. Okay, so you just have to bring out your crayons, then we will just start. Okay, fine. So now I'm taking my crayons and I will do the orange color in my watch. Okay, you can take any of your favorite color, whichever is your favorite, you can pick, right? And here I'll do the black color. So this one is done. Now you just have to complete your art sheet and then capture a picture and send it to me. And students, see, when we are doing creative, right? When we are doing your second subject, you will revise your English concepts as well, है ना? आप phonic sounds भी revise करो उसे. तो revise it again and again. You can pick any of your letter and revise the phonic sound of that. Right? See, W, wo. The sound came from W is wo. What is the sound? Read it aloud with me. Wo. So, it is multiple tasking. आप coloring भी कर रहे हो, drawing भी कर रहे हो, and you also revise your English concept. See, it's so easy, है ना? Chalo, now I'm giving you some time to complete your art sheet. Then we will come to your next subject. Okay, let's open your next subject. So this is your mathematics book on screen, right? So you just have to bring out your maths book with pencil and eraser in your hands. Let's open your book. Okay, who will tell me which concept we are doing these days? Ma'am, money. Yes. Is it your favorite concept? Do you like it? Okay, students, so you just have to come on page number 4545. Okay, so see, this is your page number 45, and in this worksheet also I'll introduce you the money concept, right? Or you say that we do revision of one more worksheet related to the same concept. ठीक है, तो now I know आपको सारी money denominations, right, सब कुछ clear है that this is the 5 rupee note, this is the 10 rupee note, this one is 20 rupee note. Fine. So first of all, we will revise it and then we will do this worksheet. Fine. But before that, you just have to write the date first. On top, here you have to mention the date. Today is 25th. I'll tell you earlier also. So firstly, write the date today. Yes, today is Monday, so you just have to circle the abbreviation. And this one you have to do by own. Go outside, check the weather today, what is the weather today, and then circle the clip art. Okay, so in this worksheet, what we going to do, we do add money. You know the concept of add आपको पता है, but what we are going to add, we are going to add money, है ना? See, there is different notes, है ना? Different money है. See, this is 5 rupee note, this one is 10 rupee note. Then what we have to do, we have to add both. दोनों को आपने add करना है, and then you have to tell me the answer. Fine. Chalo, let's see below what is written. Okay, add the money and write the answer. तो हमें क्या करना है? We have to add the money. जो ये आपको money given है, इनको आप add करोगे and then we have to find the answer. Okay, चलो. Tina said there is a conversation between two friends. ठीक है? Tina said, "What if you have to give me 30 rupees?" टीना कहती है कि व्हाट इफ कि तुम मुझे 30 रुपीज दो. सो टोनी सेड देन आई विल गिव यू 1 rupee 20 bill and one then I will give you one 20 rupee bill and one 10 rupee bill. Okay, or you can say 20 rupees I will give you and one 10 rupees I give you. तभी तो 30 होंगे ना. Okay, you can solve it like this as well. See this. Firstly, Tony give her 20 rupees, right? सबसे पहले टॉनी ने उसको कितने रुपीस दिए? 20 rupees. And then he gave 10 more. So what is the total? It's 0 0. If I add 0 into 0, 0 plus 0, so it's 0. है ना? 0 means nothing. And there is 2. If I add 1 more to it, so it's 3, right? So it will 30. So Tina said excellent. So now we are doing the same concept of adding money, right? Now you have to come on top. First of all, we will revise the denominations. है ना, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट डिनोमिनेशन के आपको करेंसी गिवन है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल रिवाइज ऑल इट एंड देन वी विल add. Okay, so students, as you see over here, this one is 20 rupee note. How can you see it? This is visible over here also. And if you see the note, so in middle of the note, see the number of currency is written over here. It's 2020. That means it is 20 rupee note. Okay, if you see in this note as well, so see in the middle there is mention, it's 10. Okay, now we're gonna add this. So 20 plus 10, so how much? If you add these 0 and 0, that means 0. Okay, if you want to do it, so you can also do the horizontal adding. Okay, जैसे मैम ने भी आपको बताया था, 2 0, this 1 0. Okay, आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. So if you're gonna add this, so क्या हुआ? 0 plus 0, 0. 0 means nothing, कुछ भी नहीं. ठीक है. And if you start with the left hand side, so there is 2. अगर मैम आपके 2, if you have 2, okay, आपके पास 2 है. If I give you one more, तो कितने हो जाएंगे? 3, right? So now you have 30 rupees. Fine. Now come on top here. Okay, fine. Now you have to see this. Now, okay. Take it as like I am giving you 10 rupees. Okay, ma'am ने आपको 10 rupees दिए. So you said, ma'am, this is very low, right? So you have to give me more. This one is less. You have to give me more. Okay. So I think, and then I will give you 50 more. Okay. पहले मैम ने आपको कितने दिए? I give you 10, right? I'll give you 10. And then you said, ma'am, this one is very less, I want more money, है ना? So then I will think, and then I give you 5 0 50 rupee note, right? So how much you have now? I ask you that how much you have now total. So you said, ma'am, okay, I will check, I have 60. Right now I have 60 rupees. Okay, so this one is your answer. Similar to it, you have to do all these word problems. Okay, come on top now. Right over here. Okay, now you have 20 rupees note, right? So your friend say, can you please give me some money? So you said, okay, I give you 20 rupee, right? So he said, no, I want more. Okay, firstly you give 20 rupee to your friend. So he said, I want more. So then you will give 50 more to him. So afterwards you ask, now how much total money you have? So he said, okay, I want to calculate, then I will tell you. So he add both of the money, right? So it's come 5. If I add 2 more to it, so it's 7. So he said, I have 70 rupees. How much money I have? I have 7070 rupees. Okay, now we will solve the rest one. Okay, this one is done. Okay, your mama said, I gave you 5 rupees for buying chips or whatever you want. Okay, mama will give you 5 rupees. You said, mama, I want more money because I want to buy a pencil box, or I also want to buy crayon. So mama said, okay, I will give you five more. Right? Your mama said, I will give you 5 rupees. But you said, Mama, this is very less. I want more money because I have to buy the crayons. So mama said, okay, now I will give you 10 rupee more. Okay, so mama said, okay, tell me how much you have now. So you said, okay, mama, I will add and then I will tell you. So now you add it. So it's 5 and there is nothing. It's 1 and there is nothing. So you can, as it is, copy it over here. So how much total you have? You have total 1 5 15 rupees now you have. Okay, so you just have to do this concept like in this way, that you give 5 rupees to someone, then you give some more money, and then you have to calculate the whole. Okay, so this is the today task of adding money. Fine. So you have to complete this worksheet, and then we will write our daily diary in just a minute. Till then, you can bring your daily diary writing notebook, and this is the format. You just have to write over here, and on top, first of all, we will write the date. So, what is the date today? Today is 25th of January, right? And the year is 2021. So here you have to write the diary first. Do We will write the diary what we have done in our English subject. So we have covered page number 32 as well as page number 33. Okay, so you just have to do page number 32 and 33. Okay, and in creative, what we have to do, you have to draw a watch. What is the phonic sound? Wo, right? So remember this, as my all focus is that you can make your drawing skills better, and you can also revise the concept of phonic sound by doing this. Okay, draw a wo or ch, watch. See, there is ch sound in the last. That is a blend. Ch, right? So you have to draw a watch today. Okay, here we will write the maths homework. Okay, so what we have covered in our maths today, we do page number 4, 5, 45, right? So here you have to write do page number 4, 5, 45 of unit E. Okay, this one is your daily diary today. You just have to write your daily diary. Then afterwards, you just have to capture a picture and send it to me. Okay, and students, one more thing, you have to do the spoken English work and share it with me. You have to do the role play, and this role play I introduced with the puppets. You have to draw, right? The stick on puppets you have to draw, and then you have to enact in the role play. Okay, so revise your dialogues on daily basis, and then make a video, prepare a video, and send it to me. Fine, so that's it, and if you need any help, so you can ask me. Then that's it for today. We will meet in our next session. Okay, till then, you have to revise all of your concepts. Okay, have a good day. God bless you.